Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan. I've been putting out a bunch of content for you guys and I hope you are enjoying, but we got another one here, ladies and gentlemen. And by the box, you should tell what this one is. Alright guys, so yes, we do have another unboxing and review for you guys. So if you do enjoy this content, make sure you guys are smashing that thumbs up. Also, please hit the subscribe button and hit the post notification bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Well, let's get right into it. So, obviously by the box, you can tell this is a Nike SB. This is the new version of the Nike SB box. So everything coming out in 2023 will be this, sailish, kind of off-white type of color Nike SB box. And size, tag, label reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike Deep Royal Blue and Active Pink. My true size in a Nike Dunk Low is 11.5. And as you open up the box, guys, you are going to get greeted with your pair right here. So this is the Run the Jewels Nike SB Dunk Low. I know that this is later from when they originally released, right? It's a couple months down the line. However, I just didn't get around, honestly, to making a video. So when these things released over on the Sneakers app, okay, they did it in a way where you had to do a cam. So they put out a picture over on Twitter. If you follow the Twitter pages, they run rampant, but they had posted an image over on the Twitter page that most likely was going to be part of the sneakers cam, right? So as long as you had that image, you needed two devices. So what I did in order to cop my pairs, I put that image over on my computer, right? So my desktop. Took my phone out over on the Sneakers app, boom, scanned the image, put my size in, hit. I was like, damn, this was pretty easy. So grabbed my other phone, boom, did the same thing. I was like, oh my God, I just got two pairs. Did it a third time and I secured 3 pairs of these things. Now, I do only have 1 pair left in my collection. The other 2 were traded for different shoes, as you will see later on down the road on my channel, because you'll get a sneak peek for some of them right here. But I traded them for a couple different Nike SBs because I'm really starting to grow my collection. Big fan of Nike SBs. I've really been getting deep into the SB culture recently this year. I didn't ever own an SB until the neck face Nike Dunk Low SBs came out. I was able to cop that pair. And ever since then, I was like, you know what? Really starting to like SBs. I like how they fit, more comfortable, so on and so forth. No, I'm not a skateboarder, so don't crucify me in the comments. I'm just a sneaker guy. I really love sneakers. And if I want to buy them, I can buy them. So that's the bottom line. Let's get right into this review right now. So, like I said, this is the Run the Jewels Nike SB Dunk Low. Let me actually grab this pair right here, just because I can show you guys that you get the extra set of laces. So you got that deep royal right here, and then you also got a different version of the royal over on the toe box and around the ankle collar. So both of those colors you get for spare sets of laces. And then, obviously on the insole, I just want to show you guys this real quick. You have that Run the Jewels logo right there with like the finger guns. And then on the right pair, you get the other logo right there. Other than that, the two, the left shoe and the right shoe are identical. So let's get right into it. You do have the active pink Nike swoosh right here going around the shoe. Really love the materials on this shoe, I gotta say. I mean, the suede and the nubucks that they used on this shoe is fantastic. Really soft materials, and it makes for a more comfortable shoe. So like I said, you got the active pink swoosh going around the shoe. Going to the heel tab, you got that Nike branded in gold. You got that lighter powder blue up on the top of the ankle collar. And then you got that royal blue up towards the wings and the eyelets going down to the toe box as well. And that toe box really soft. You could tell right here from the old press test. Really soft. Going around the eyelet to the top and also the mid panel right here, you got that deep royal blue. Really looking good. The laces that come pre-standard is that teal blue, and it's got some like ribbing inside of it as well, if you could tell. Tongue's also going to have that hit of gold with the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro logo. Behind the tongue, obviously, you're going to get that felt type of material on a Nike S. And you got that fat, cushy tongue, of course, as well. So, really nice material. It is like a leather tongue. So, you do have a leather tongue on here, but it's a really soft leather. We already showed off the insole. Really nice insole. And then the outsole, okay? So, it says, run the jewels all the way through it. You got that nice clear outsole. Really love how that turned out. And then, obviously, your Nike SB Pod right here with the Zoom Air technology inside that midsole. So other than that, guys, this was a quick review and a little unboxing of the Nike SB Dunk Low Run the Jewels. Really happy I have these things in my collection. I don't know if I'll keep this specific pair in my collection or I will be trading, this for some other SBs. I am going to provide a Nike SB Dunk Low collection video down towards the later half of this year because I'm going to do a collection video, what I picked up this year, and then also a Nike Dunk Low SB collection video on itself. See, like I said, I love the Nike SB Dunk Lows. Really happy I was able to pick up this pair. Let me know what you guys think about the Run the Jewels down below in the comments section. Did you guys pick these things up when they released? Did you go back for them later on, knowing how they were and what they looked like? Let me know all that info down in the comments section. And like I said, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you smash the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button because we're cruising to that 1,000 subscriber mark. And please do not forget to turn on those post notification bells because your boy's going to be posting a lot of content. So make sure you hit that so you never miss another one of my videos. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. And you guys just chill with Dill, me, and the Run the Jewels Nike SB Dunk Low are out. Peace.